For Bob, we got the tool that fixes everything.
Good morning and welcome back, everybody. It has been a while. I have missed being out here with the airplane. I'm sure you guys have missed being out here with the airplane as well as all the Sunday videos. Sucks that I had to take a break for a little while, but I'm just glad nothing's broken. Thank you guys all for the well wishes as far as the ankle went. I'm very happy to say that I didn't tear anything up too bad, but it was really close to having something torn down inside there. So yeah, I heard it pretty good, but I didn't tear anything, so that's really good news, especially for me. But anyway, we are here at the hangar. I know it's getting to the end of the year. We got a little bit of stuff going on. We just got some brand new tires for the nose wheel, as you guys saw, or actually both nose wheels, both of them. So those are going on today. So we're gonna see how nose gear tires are installed on the airplane. So let's go check this out.
Back up on me.
Hey, look at that.
Oh.
There you go.
And give it some good wiggles as you put it on, so you don't punch anything back out. So right there, start giving it some good wiggles. Keep pushing. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Push, push, push. There you go.
Nice.
All right, now the keyed spacer without the F-bombs.
Oh, don't worry, I could bleep those out easily.
There's going to be a fair amount of bleeping in this video so far. Okay. All right, so now that's in there. Okay. All right, so now we are install keyed spacer and axle nut.
Yep.
So
one axle nut.
let's play with our nuts. Can edit that out too.
Oh no, I like leaving the double entendres in. We're talking about the axle nuts, right?
Of course. Sure. What other nuts would we be talking about? Okay, snug the axle nut against the bearing. Wheel must be rotated while tightening axle nut to be sure of proper seating of bearing. While rotating the wheel, tighten the axle nut until no end play can be felt when the wheel is grasped at the opposite sides and shaken. Loosen axle nut and perform subparagraph 2 additional times. And then we set the torque. So.
Okay, so we set the bearings 3 times and
Yes.
then torque
and then torque it. Yes.
Got it.
Yes. So what?
So basically, it can't shake this way at all once it's properly seated.
Right. So like right now, actually it's already tight, but yeah, the idea is that there's no play in it.
Yeah, there's no end play this ways.
Right. So like right now, there still isn't.
Right.
Like at all. It's already snug, but it's gonna get more snugger.
Got it. We'll go this way this time.
Okay, that's snug. All right, so that's good. So now, with that all done, just for the sake of formality, good.
Yeah, I don't think it's going anywhere.
Yeah, I think we're good. All right. Loosen axle nut. Okay, torque axle nut to 50 foot-pounds, then back off and retorque to 20 foot-pounds. So once we get these torqued, we do the final torque setting. You'll see in the procedure about putting the lock screw in. This is this little guy right here.
It goes in one of those
holes. It's going to go in one of these holes. So once we get the torque on these set, the fun game is you have to back the, after you set the final torquing, you go up another 20 foot-pounds.
Well, we back it off, set to 20, right, and then go to the nearest hole.
Yeah, go to the nearest hole above 20 is what it says. So we'll have to figure out which one of these is going to line up with our lock hole and get that in there. And then once that bad boy's in there, which locks all this together, then we'll be safety wiring it, and then we'll be putting the jet back on the ground.
Nice. Someone just cranked up over there somewhere.
The T6 was outside at
I saw that earlier.
Lone Star. Okay. Kind of wishing I had looked at that spacer now to see where the lock screw hole was.
Is it visible at all in any of these holes?
I'll look here in a minute. Let's get the torque set first. And yep, that is set for 20. There's 20 right there.
There's 20.
Man, that doesn't feel like a lot on these wheels, but I guess once you set.
Oh, you're almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Just a smidge.
This is where it's gonna get challenging.
Like literally like 5 degrees there. Oh, you're dead on.
You think? I think we're still at
We can try it.
off. Let's try it. Yeah.
There's the screw.
Let's see if it'll go in.
Fit threads, we got it.
I think there's enough play. I think we got it. Yeah, we're disco.
Perfect.
All right, we're disco on this side. All right, you guys get to play this little game now.
And it still rotates.
I said game without dropping an F-bomb. I almost said
we need a better
effing
high
game.
five than that.
That was, yeah,
That's better.
That was dork high five territory.
All right, so what we got going on here, Will?
What we have going on here is an unacceptably dirty oleo. So if you look, when you have a hydraulic strut like this, you're gonna have a seal, actually a bunch of seals that go up in there, but the main seal down here at the bottom, your wiper seal that's gonna keep all the fluid and everything above and make sure this stays pressurized. So when you get this dirty, sticky grease on the oleo like this, anything, dirt, dust, grime is going to get attracted and stuck in this grease. And then as the strut actuates up and down, as the airplane taxis or flies, you know, up and down the runway, whatever, you're going to jam all of that dirt and grease and crap up into that seal. And eventually it's either going to cut or damage or wear away the seal, and you'll start having hydraulic fluid come down your oleo.
And that's just abrasive crap against the strut metal too, right?
Exactly, exactly. It's just not good. So anytime you see this on an oleo like this, you want to get a good clean rag and clean it off. And then you want to get a wet rag that's wet with hydraulic fluid. And basically this one's dirty, but you get the idea. You want to take that wet rag with hydraulic fluid that's nice and clean, and you just want to polish the whole oleo and give it just a nice coating. And that way there won't be all that grime and stuff that gets packed up into the seals, and it'll extend the life of your nose strut.
Nice. Duly noted. That's for anybody else out there that has a F4 Phantom they're taking care of.
Or any other hydraulic ram on a forklift, on anything.
Yeah.
You always want to keep your rams clean.
Indeed.
All right, so now that we got the tires mounted, safety wires in, next thing we're going to do is verify the pressure in the tires before we set the jet down, because we believe they set the pressure at the shop, but we're going to do the old trust but verify. Once we get it down on the ground, we're going to let it sit for probably a half hour and check it again. And then next week when the guys come out, they'll check them one more time, because with brand new tires, once you get some weight on them and stuff, you're probably going to have to add pressure a couple times.
You let them settle out a little.
Yep, let them settle out a little bit. So,
and if I remember right, 185 on our noses?
You're fired. 165 plus or minus 5.
That's it.
So I always set them at 170 on the high side of things, and we go with that.
Oh, got it. So,
and there's what's the differential
between them?
Yep,
10.
There we go.
So
why do we have that differential requirement?
That way it doesn't veer one way or the other.
There you go.
So yeah, nice. Now we pressure check them.
You're up.
Batter up.
Let's see if I don't let all the air out of this thing.
I got it.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, not even close. Not anywhere close.
Okay.
We gotta get the nitro bottle.
Check the other one while we're.
All right, I'll just put that there for safekeeping.
We needed a brand new one. Somebody should say something to Christopher, like, hey, this one's fucking.
And I told Ryan.
110.
110. All right, so that one's somewhat good. We still need to.
Got one for their bottle.
There it is.
That's perfect.
Hey, there's your valve cap.
Thank you. Here.
Ready?
You said that side was at what?
110.
All right, so give it about 3 seconds.
Okay.
Give it about a 3 second pop.
Now you're ready for pressure, man.
Okay, ready. $165.
Just a quick tap.
Tap it in.
Tap, tap, tap the roof.
165 still.
Are you too good for your home?
That's such a good movie.
It is.
Good?
Yep.
Awesome.
All right, cap her off, pressure off.
Now
Actually,
we can.
Yeah, you got it. You know what you're doing. I'm fucking listening.
And now we can bring her down.
We can. Everything else is good. All right.
Everything clear?
Everything, yeah. Somebody check underneath the tires.
Torque.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Huzzah! Look at that. I like how that has a built-in jack pad.
Mm-hmm.
That's easy to access, unlike the other two.
Now, the guys used to always safety wire those jack pads down like that, because if the spring breaks or something like that, the jack pad can actually fall free and damage things when the gear door closes and everything. So I'll ask Al if he wants us to do that, but we used to wrap a good bit of the higher gauge, the 41 thousandths safety wire around that.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Yeah, not a bad idea.
Or 41 hundredths, 41,000, whatever.
Back on her feet. That is awesome.
Yep, we're down, we're good. Let's get all our tools policed up.
All right, and wanting to get to one of my other projects, aka the MA1A start cart, well, it's been over a month. I'm pretty sure the batteries have not been charged in that time since I last messed with this, so charge is going on it. I'll mess with this next week. I really want to get this thing running. That'd be a great way to cap off the year, at least for me, this, because it's one of the bigger projects, and that's one of our only 2 start carts. All right, let's see what else we got going on. It's nice to have the Phantom back on her feet. All right, now that the nose gear stuff is back on, we spent some time and cleaned up the office area behind me. It's looking a hell of a lot better and a hell of a lot more organized. So we got that going for us. That pretty much wraps up our day, as I know it's Christmas week and all. So it's really good to be back. And on behalf of the Phantom crew here, we wish all you guys a Merry Christmas. And see you next weekend. And thank you guys for watching. It's good to be back.